Hello, this is Marqueta from Truss Aluminium factory. We are here exhibiting at ISE 2026, and I would like to show you one of our new products. So first, so that you see how we innovate, this is the PAV tower, vertical tower number 1. This is of course just the top section because this tower goes up to 8 meters and it has a loading capacity of 1 ton. You can already know this from the last year's show, but what we wanted to show you is the next step, because in the first one, the top section was made from aluminium, but this time we decided that we want to have bigger height and we also want to have bigger loads. So this is why we made a completely new top section for PAV tower number 2. This vertical tower can go up to 15 meters and the loading is 2,200 kilograms. What is also good about this is that you can use these ringing points that are adjustable, so then it depends on your sound system you are using and you can just put it whenever you want. So if you want to check it out in person, just please go out to our booth 6K500, or for more information please visit our website www.tef.cz.